guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to unbox Artis mini Bluetooth speaker. These I ordered from Amazon for my laptop. So let's unbox it. So you can see here are the speakers. I ordered wired speakers, not wireless, because wireless speakers will possibly get worse when they become old. So these are very good options. So let's test them out. As you see here, there is a USB cable. This is for power supply, and there is a 3.5 headphone jack. This is to plug in into the 3.5 headphone jack. So now let's see how to plug in this. Here is the USB port. So I need to put the USB port into the USB cable into the port. Now then put this jack into the 3.5 headphone jack. Now let's test the audio quality. Now firstly we'll hear how the laptop sounds without plugging in the speakers. You can see there it doesn't sound that much loud, it is just soft sound. So that's why I ordered these speakers. Now let's test them with plugging in them. As you can see here, I have plugged them into the ports. Now let's test the audio quality of these speakers. You can hear from the there is a lot of difference between the laptop sound and the speaker sound. Now let's play a movie song and see how the audio quality will be. As of now I can see a clear difference between the treble and bass. So let's see movie BGMs. Now let's play the Salar BGM. You can see there is a huge boost in the sound. So I would recommend you these speakers. You can buy them at a price of around 500. So I'll leave my affiliate link in the description, so you can buy. Please buy from it. And also I forgot to mention this feature it has. You can actually increase the sound and decrease it by using this knob. So that's it for the video. Please, thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.